Nigga be bumping, bitch. You can't fuck with me, man. Y'all nigga can't fuck with me. I'm gonna pop out on this one, pop out on the other one, and pop out on the other one. Be like, hey, you remember me? I'm like, Chucky, motherfucker. I'm here. I might be on another channel. Peekaboo, I'm back. I ain't playing no game. Triple D there, baby. We out here, you did? Man, y'all can't. Man, did you see what the new cop was? Ross Martin. Go look it up, y'all. Try to find some of the shit on that baby about it. And drop the comment. Please drop the comments. That's what I like to hear. Because the comments don't do nothing but boss up. So I'm waiting for the haters. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I got this baby from where? Dallas, Texas. You did? You did? And what they say in the background? Man, that Dallas. Oh, shit, Cowboy. Oh, Triple D there, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay. Man, say, stop playing. Stop playing. I'm on it, baby. Triple D there, y'all. It don't get no better than that. Yeah, go do the research. Try to hate on that. Ross Martin, baby. Not the Triple D. Huh? Yeah. Go look at the research, baby. Go check it out. They can't shit on this one here. But I'm waiting. Yeah. I got the baddest reviews on the baddest people in the gun game. Bang with Boogie. Go check out my boy Bang with Boogie. Say, man, go look at. Say. Then go check out my other boy. Say, he killing it. So, yeah, if I got to post that shit every damn day, let y'all know, say, Ross Martin is what the fuck it is for the 2024. Let's pop it. Don't hate because it's from Dallas, Texas, baby. We popping. Think you did. Yeah, D-Town, baby. Ain't playing no game, y'all. So, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. You ain't gotta say nothing. It's out there. D-Town, we getting it, y'all. We got a gun out from Triple D. We getting a goddamn casino in the Triple D. Man, y'all can stop hating. We out here. All the way 100. Ain't nothing changed, all my bro. What's up with it, man? I just had to put it in their face, man. You already know how I rock it like Stockton, man. You know what I'm talking about? It's better than shine, you did, with no grind. So shit, what is a shine when you ain't grinding? So shit, oh, man, what? What? Come on. I'm waiting. Yeah, Triple D there, baby. Ross Martin, baby. Sonic boom. They thought I was gonna get a Glock. They thought I was gonna get a Glock probably. You a damn no man. No man. No man. No man. I'm let y'all have that. It's always time for new shit. You did Ross Martin, the newest shit then pop, so let's get it. That no baby. Stop hating. I wanna hear y'all try to hate though. I'm waiting on the hater. I'm waiting and hating on the way. Cause it ain't no man say man from the Triple D y'all. What it do? What it do? I try to tell you, man, I couldn't wait to drop this shit, man. I was a kid just waiting to drop this shit. I'm like, oh man, I'm waiting to go live to these haters. Cooking with love, that motherfucker be at 21K in a minute. I'm not even real about that channel no more. I dropped enough video. I could just sit here and just chill on this channel. That's why now I'm letting y'all know this bitch finna pop now because I ain't finna worry about it. It's like, it's going down. What? And I ain't even dropped that on that channel yet. You dig? So I already know. Yeah. Them other subscribers. These new subscribers too. You know, but say, if I want to go feed them to that day, I ain't trying to do that. You know what I'm talking about? It's going down. Only my main moderators know about it. But I ain't, you know what I'm talking about? Say, Triple D there, y'all. We ain't playing no game. You dig? Bang, man, I love this shit. Boy, say, y'all. Keep up the good work, everybody. No cap. Be yourself. That's how you doing, y'all. I try to tell y'all, man, I had some new shit coming. Y'all thought I was bullshit? Y'all thought I want them motherfuckers to be shooting shit? No, when I shoot that shit, I'm coming with that real shit. You dig? Cause I couldn't wait. Oh, man, it was pissing me off. The day was going so slow, I was ready to drop this. Oh, man. Every review I was looking at, I'm like, oh, man, I'm ready to go to the gun range. I'm ready, y'all, so I already know, y'all. It's going down, y'all. So, like I said, man, we ain't playing no